would be remiss in checking out Toyota without checking out the Toyota Prius. This one is the Prime, the plug-in, and this one has always interested me. Why do they... it's annoying. So I'm going to sit in it with the seat in this position, which, you know, this doesn't work for me, man. Well, this is fine. I don't know, the fact that I can't get the seat in the position I need it, it's kind of annoying, and this seat just feels hard and uncomfortable. It's fine though. Huh. It's fine.
Fine?
Yeah, I can't move the seat, so I can't really tell if that's comfortable.
But it's not on.
But that seat is like, I don't know, it just feels like they stacked up some old cardboard and like that's your cushion. I hate to be a hater, but that's gotta be honest. And this won't open.
I'm not like vibing on Toyota these days. Not really.